Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are in the supermarket. I heard a lot of discussions about how prices raised in Jamaica, and I want to show you what really is going on in the supermarkets. What's up with the prices, how much meat, milk, and those groceries cost. So let's see what's going on, what's good, and hope you guys doing fine. And by the way, it's Friday and the curfew is still there, so we need to hurry. And the supermarket looks kind of crowded. And everybody tried to catch the curfew hour, and we too. So let's see what's good. So first of all, when I came into the supermarket, I saw one thing, that oil is on sale. So here's the stand, like when you come in to the supermarket, you can see a stand here, and goods are always on sale. Some goods that I believe are close to the expiration date. That's what I believe. And I found here vegetable oil from the brand Candle, and today it costs this money, and a little bit cheaper. It's not like super difference, like super cheaper than it was before, but still, the difference is there. I'm gonna translate the prices for you guys so you can see them in the left corner in USD. Let's see how much for the pack of cereal here on sale. So it's just a basic cornflakes, sweetened. And today the price is this. And some foreign cornflakes, they're more expensive than local ones. And this is the price. If you like Cheerios and them something, this is the price. And now we're going to the milk section. I'm gonna show you how much for the cow's milk. We're going to the fridge. So as you guys know from our family vlog, I am going to Russia for a while, and I will bring some coffee from Jamaica because it's very overpriced in Russia, and my mom, she can't afford it, but she loves it, so I'm gonna bring it for her as a souvenir. So I always bring big pack of coffee? Jabloom blended, and this is the price. It costs 2,000 something. I normally bring big pack like that so it can serve for a while. And if you're an instant coffee lover, so big Jabloom will cost this money. So normally for the kids I buy 100% cow's milk, and this is like 1 liter, about 1 liter, and this is the price. If you want a bigger size, you can buy this one. It's almost 2 liters, so it depends on the brand. Some bottles cost this money, so a little bit cheaper. But normally this one does not really last for long, so I prefer to buy small bottles so it does not spoil on us. So that's what I'm gonna grab. So this is milk that lasts almost for forever. So if you're not really a milk lover but you need some milk in your house, so you can buy those ones. And this is the price. So for the big pack of Laska powder drink, 400 grams, a small pack, it's almost 100 grams inside, for 144. Okay guys, so the pack of cheddar goes for $3.74. They also have Parmesan cheese for 2 something. Yeah, 200. Yeah. Cream cheese, Philadelphia cream cheese. Cream cheese cheaper than Philadelphia. Never tried, but my neighbor said it's fine too. Okay, so this is unsalted butter, and I just bought it the other day. It's the cheapest here on the shelf. Yeah, it's not bad at all. They have more expensive butter. Yeah, Irish butter. Okay, so egg section, they almost got the same price tag for 60 and 4. Yeah, so now I'm gonna check eggs. That's what I always do before I buy them. I just check inside the package. If they are right, I'm gonna grab a package. Okay, yeah, but normally I buy those ones. Okay, so for the pack, 400 gram of the instant oats from Lascar. It's a local brand. You're gonna pay this. So I'm also going to grab 2 Ensures because sometimes I'm lazy to make breakfast. Yeah, so we just drink Ensures and we're good to go. So for 1 Ensure, $2.56. So for people who got kids, who got picnic, I'm gonna show you prices for diapers. Thanks God we don't need to buy them anymore because the diapers, they were like one of the most expensive things in our trolley, in our grocery trolley. Yeah, and we're really sometimes we are not sometimes, we are glad we're done with them. We don't sponsor diaper companies. Yeah man, but those are big packs. Guys. There are smaller packs, so I'm gonna show you smaller packs also. Small packs of diapers. So for the small packs of diapers, well, not really small pack, but 30 diapers in there, not like box of diapers, 1,000 something. Those are not like world brands, so I don't really know this brand, so it's like no brand. And if you want brand diapers like Pampers and Huggies, yes, you're gonna pay definitely more. It's like 32 diapers, 37 diapers in, yeah, different packs. And this is a Huggies stand. So Huggies, for example, Huggies little movers, 16 inside, that price. So I was surprised, but from the other day I keep seeing more baby food here on the shelves in Jamaica. Like when I had Leon, Donnie, we didn't really have too much of them, so I used to mash myself, but it's most fruit purees, but still it's very convenient. You can just take it somewhere with you, so you have no problems. So Gerber food, yeah, it's like 100 something for them. Yeah, but if we're gonna talk about the real puree, like the good puree with meat and vegetables, still in Jamaica we don't really have too much of them, so you might need to make your own. Yeah, because so far I see here only mac and cheese and no meat purees, so they're almost same price. And of course I will show you how much for the baby porridge, a big pack, 730 grams for let's say almost 800. This is a Nestle. This is what Daniel eats still. And the baby formula from Lasco, the big pack, costs 1,700. One and up milk food, and small one 7. So for the big pack of the powdered soap with the scent, Downy scent, Ariel, you can pay 1,136 plus GCT. That's pretty big pack. Yeah, 2 kilogram of soap. Look for the small one. Yeah. And this is the small pack. Yep. They have different brands. So this section here, different powdered ones. So if you like Breeze, you can get Breeze. But they're not really that far in terms of the price. Yeah. And those like local brands. Well, I believe Springtime. Never heard of this brand. So yeah, it's Jamaican, packaged in Jamaica. I'm not sure if it's made in Jamaica, but it is packaged here. This is like the hugest pack I ever seen though. It's 4 kilogram of soap, and for the 4 kilogram of soap, unknown brand, packaged in Jamaica, I pay this. It's not bad. And guys, I just want you to show how much for the powdered one. This is a Tide American powdered soap, and it costs this money. Yeah, just for you to compare the prices. Alright, so for the normal rice, enriched rice, this money. Yeah, pack of salt, by the way, this local salt product of Jamaica, 35. Yeah. And you know, in Jamaica, you can find the smallest packs of everything. I don't think in Russia you can find something that small. So it's only like 400 grams inside. Super small pack. Like for one time, to eat one time. Here and in Jamaica, you can find also rice packed just in the plastic bags. It calls rice bulk. They also have sugar here, white sugar. Today costs. They also have small packages. Yeah, so let's check golden cane sugar. Cane sugar costs 250 Jamaican. Depends on the package. 2 bigger package. This is like medium sized package, and they have bigger packages for 500 Jamaicans. Okay, yeah, and little small packages. So I definitely will bring one from Jamaica to give my mom, because cane sugar, brown sugar in Russia is not cheap at all. Like here in Jamaica, yeah, they produce it here. So yep, why not small pack? Oh, they have even smaller than that. Yeah. Okay. So this is a flour, 1.5 kilo packed flour. How much for it? 100 per bulk. No, this one's smaller. This one looks smaller. So how much for this one? No surprise for this one. Here. And flour in a package. The packed flour in that fancy package is more expensive. Yeah. I guess you pay for the package though. Yeah. And this is the foreign flour. 4,000 for the flour. Small 500. Gold. I'm gonna use it. Stick to local. So let me show you guys meat prices. So for the pack of chicken feet bones, I normally buy packs like that. Yeah, they are I don't know, but they work for us though. For 300 for one. Yeah, but you have to be careful. Always check the expiration date. And it's like 600 gram, half of the kilo chicken bulk. So if you want to buy the whole chicken and cut it yourself, you will pay almost 900. This is a local company, CB Chicken. You can also buy chicken parts for 1,000, 1,000. How much? Let me take it out. Oh, different parts. 8 pieces, 1,500. Alright guys, so beef, I'm going to buy a piece of beef and it will cost me 1,000. This is beef broadstick. And guys, I also will grab a pack of macaroni, local brand, Lasco. They're not bad. How much for them? Like 90? Yeah. Oh, yeah. And almost forgot to grab a toilet tissue. 56 for it. Cuddle one. 80. Some 80. Yeah. But we got here plenty. So it's not a problem for us. It's not sold out. We are good. A bar of Dove soap. 174. Yeah, just regular Dove soap with the scent. And this, for example, local one, local brand, it's 90 for it. So for the Dial body wash, if you don't wash yourself with the soap and use body wash, you're gonna pay this price. Need to grab one because soap dries my skin. Can't manage soap. I wish I could come with economy so much money, but yeah, need to buy soap. Well, they have some brands like that, but them not really soapy. Yeah, so I'd rather buy Diet. Yeah guys, so hardo bread costs 405. White bread. So guys, just the other day I found this juice, this apple juice, and it's like almost 3 liters in. Tastes almost like moths, but it's much more cheaper. So you see this price for this juice. I buy it for the kids because they drink juice like water, so we need a big pack of juice in the house. Alright guys, so far I believe I showed you almost everything, what is important and what normally inside almost everybody's trolley, grocery trolley. Yeah, so I hope it was useful for you guys, and those are the prices. No. Yeah, so I will translate the prices in dollars, so guys, yeah, so you can have an idea how much in dollars it costs. But also always remember that rate GMD changes almost every day, so please, before you go to the supermarket, check the rate for the day. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care and see you next time. Bye.